Hi, if you purchased this Happy Pawlidays Ornament, I would just like to quickly show you how to use it. Um, so it's made out of a few pieces. We have this print and cut piece, then we have this piece and the backing. So you would first of all print these pieces and send it to the printer, file, print, and your print preview will come up. So obviously it's an ornament, so we won't do it this big. So you will change your page setup, go to media size and choose A4 or letter depending on the size of your paper. You can put it landscape and then you can make it smaller. I wouldn't go larger because then you might lose some of the resolution. So let's make it 50% and this one also 50%. And then I would center that and I would view my registration marks as well. Show in registration marks, enable that so that you can then send it to your silhouette cutting machine to cut the file. Okay, so first of all, you're going to see the cut lines are showing. So you'll go to File, Print, and it's going to print. Then you're going to put it on your mat and you're going to send the printed paper to the mat and it will cut out. The backing part, even though it's shaded, it will look great on white. So if you change that to white and say you use white cardstock with this on top of it, it is really going to look spectacular. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. Have fun cutting this and see you soon.